If you are a beginner, if you said you're a beginner in the enrolment form or we put you in the entry level group, then these next exercises are for you within this playlist. All we need you to do is these certain exercises by yourself before you move up to the ones that you'll find really difficult, the intermediate and hard ones. Some of those are very fast paced. So the ones in the entry level playlist are all aimed at building up your base. It's like building a house. We need you to have the foundation first. A lot of the time you're going to rush over and want to do the sort of more fun looking exercises where you're jumping around like you see a lot of the influencers do on Instagram and the high hit classes. They're not good if you're a beginner. You need to build the base first or you'll build up tightnesses, hip, knee, shoulder problems, and you will never know why. This is why you need to build up those strengths first of all, learn to control your body first of all. Changing your body, changing your mindset, changing your health overall, it shouldn't be about small windows and trying to do things quickly. So instead, look at it as a long process. You should be exercising for life. It's a life thing. You need to build up that strength first and slowly go into it. So don't worry about trying to fast track everything. If you find these exercises easy, fantastic. If you find them hard, don't worry, you can progress them any way you like. So we're going to show you the main exercises and how to progress each one, and then going to show you some workouts to do, which a lot of the time your heart rate won't be too high, but you're going to be sore in the muscles. And wait till the day after. One good indicator of how you feel is the next day. You might finish your workout and, oh, that's fine. And the next day you could be sore all over. That's totally normal. What you don't want to go is go too hard. As a beginner personal trainer 20 years ago, I used to show people what I could do to them. As a lot of instructors do in a lot of classes, just try and get your heart rate up and make you do as much as possible. The next day, it feels like you've been hit by a truck. And you can be that sore for a week to the point at which you might be thinking, should I be going to A&E? That's, muscle soreness can be that bad. So ease it in slowly. If there's a 40-minute or a 30-minute workout and you can manage 10 minutes, that's fantastic. That's 10 minutes more than you did before. So all I want you to do is edge the dial closer and closer. Your fitness level could be right on the floor. And the great thing is about this is that we're going to be training you for as long as you want. So if you're here now and we bring you up month by month, there's going to be a time when you're going to be wherever you want to be. So you're going to go past the people that are here and don't think intelligently about what they're doing. This is about building you up, about creating knowledge in your head as well as a good foundation for your body to give you the platform to push to literally any level you like. It doesn't matter if you have 50 kilos of fat to lose or 1 kilo of fat to lose. You've got to start somewhere. This is about putting you on the path. As soon as you're on the path and you've got us going like this, guiding you towards us, every step is a step forward. It doesn't matter if you start 1,000 miles away, 100 miles or 10 miles away. The first step is what you need to take. So there'll be people 100 away that basically are going to lie there and not do anything, while you 1,000 miles away are going to take a step every single day. Before you know it, you're going to catch up and surpass those people. Don't look at the short term, look at the big picture. How do you want to feel in 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 50 years? That's what I want you to do. We want to leave you feeling good and looking back at the time. This is the time when you changed your life, your wellness and your health.